9. Fritzy Barn calls. They're missing 200 pounds of chicken feed.
They're cocky. But you know what? I take them down. I can tell you a story about
Wow! What's with all the noise, little baddie?
It's game time. Chicken. That's right. Run, chicken. Here, come on.
Aha! Bing! Just a cat. You're going away for a long time. I need to take a break.
You're gonna fry now.
We've round up the juiciest pretzel we could find and make it to a delicious golden crunch. Pretzel Cocoa Puffs, part its complete breakfast. Do you want some Cocoa Puffs? But seriously, stop eating Cuckoo Bird. It's just silly. General Mills, a family company.